Hey, what's up guys, Trix is here and today we're doing the unboxing of this flexible keyboard. So let's get right to the unboxing. So this is the box of flexible keyboard and it's very cool. So let's unbox this. Opening the box, and this is the flexible keyboard. As you guys can see, it's very cool. And yeah, so let's try this. So after I'm using this keyboard for a week, and I would not recommend this for the people that are working on office because the keys are a little bit smaller than other keyboards, and I would recommend this for the people that are editing and also for gaming. And yeah, so thanks for watching guys. See you soon for next video. Take care and peace. With